7th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a pair of Chloe shades and a diamond belly ring. On the 7th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video, as you guys can see by the title, is going to be another Monday Mondays video. I do apologize first off because it's not a Vlogmas video, but I was really sick yesterday and I literally didn't do anything. So I decided to put the 2 vlogs and upload it tomorrow. And today would have been a perfect time to give you guys a Monday Mondays because the holidays are coming up and I know like a lot of people would be interested in getting some extra money for the holidays, for like your Christmas gift or somebody else's Christmas gift. You never know how much money you can make. So before I get into the qualifications, you guys can make $50 and you can make $20 every week after that, as long as you abide by their rules and their qualifications, stuff like that. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Ruby. I'm a 20-year-old college lifestyle and beauty vlogger. I typically do a couple of Monday Mondays here and there. I do fashion videos, I do beauty videos, routines, college vlogs. For the month of December, I'm supposed to be uploading a new vlog every single day. But I got a lot of great feedback from the first time I mentioned this thing. However, a lot of people said that they weren't able to do it, but I'm going to put all the different people that said that they were able to get it so you guys don't think that this is a scam. You guys know that this is legit. Oh my god. If you guys don't know what Close Marketing is, let me tell you guys right now. I'm reading it off the phone or whatever. But Close Marketing is a Facebook ad agency based in San Diego that manages the Facebook accounts for big clients and small. So every Facebook account has the eligibility to run ads through their Facebook. So for example, YouTube, if you guys don't know YouTube, you get paid through YouTube because of the ads that you guys are probably going to see throughout this video, the ads that are on the side of the video, everything. But we don't get paid through YouTube, we get paid through Google AdSense, and that's how all the YouTubers get paid. Like no one gets paid through YouTube. So we all get paid through AdSense. So basically with this website, you guys can get paid to have ads run through your Facebook account, which is amazing. Like this is like as easy as it gets because you're basically getting paid for doing nothing, you know? Like YouTube, you have to make videos, this, that, and the third, but Facebook, you don't really have to do anything. You use Facebook on the regular. It's like saying I'm getting paid to, you know, post on Instagram or post on Snapchat, even though I do it on the regular already. By the way, follow me on my social media right here. But so basically with this program, it's a win-win for everybody. The ad company gets to use your Facebook account to run ads and you guys get paid, and then you guys get paid to have the ads run on your Facebook account. So these are the qualifications. You guys have to listen to this very carefully. Don't waste your time, like I said before. Don't waste your own time by not having all of this completed before contacting them, because they're just not going to, like, you're not going to get your money. But I didn't even tell you guys how much money you can make. So before I get into the qualifications, you guys can make $50 and you can make $20 every week after that, as long as you abide by their rules and their qualifications, stuff like that. Make sure you guys follow their qualifications and don't waste their time. I'm saying this is like the 3rd time I'm saying this. So first of all, you have to have a personal laptop or computer. You can't use the computers that belong to your school. You have to have your own personal laptop, like your own personal laptop. Like it has to be your own. Your own. It can't be a laptop that you share with other people, or a computer that you share with other people. You can't borrow somebody else's computer to get enrolled. That's like, it's sad to say. I know a lot of people do have laptops at this time, but a lot of people don't. So I do apologize if you don't have a laptop of your own, but that's just how it is. You must have an active Facebook account for more than 6 months. I was so mad when I found out about this because I had made my Facebook account, like when I first did the video over the summer, I didn't have my Facebook account for 6 months yet, but now I do, so it's lit. I'm about to be making my money too. But before I didn't have my Facebook account for more than 6 months, so I couldn't do it myself. But I'll get into how I was able to benefit from it later on. Only for US applicants. I know a lot of people got mad because I went through the whole video and I never mentioned that it's US applicants only, but I didn't realize that that video would go viral. Like I had 108,000 views, which was crazy to me. I thought it was only gonna be like my 10,000 subscribers that are gonna be watching it, and a lot of people from out of the country were watching it too, and they were really mad that I didn't mention that, and I do apologize. So now you guys know it's only for US applicants. And that's basically it for the qualifications. So if you guys have all those qualifications, you're good. You can't do this process on your phone. You have to do it on your laptop. Like I said before, laptop or computer of your own. You can't do it, you know. It's 4 different sessions, and after your 4 sessions are completed, you make $50. And then after that 4th session, you can make $20 every week after that. So, you know, it's a little extra money you guys can have to the side. But the person is going to explain it to you directly later on. So this is how you get enrolled. To get enrolled, you have to go to www.coastmarketing.com. I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys right here. So you're going to go to www.coastmarketing.com. I'm going to put it on the screen. I'm going to put it in the description bar down below. Do you have a laptop or computer you access Facebook from? Yes. Do you have a Facebook account that is more than 6 months old? Yes. Have you ever used your Facebook account for advertisement purposes? No. A lot of people were getting mad about that because a lot of people were saying that they filled out the whole thing and then they pressed yes for everything,